Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial on generating YouTube's SEO content automatically. So guys, do you ever feel there is too much work to keep your YouTube's SEO optimized for your search engines? If yes, you'll be glad to know that today I'm going to show you how you can use an automation software workflow to keep your YouTube's SEO content updated. So guys, in this video, you will learn how you can use Pabbly Connect to generate the description and thumbnails of your YouTube videos and how to use it to keep your existing YouTube content updated. So by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to generate the YouTube's SEO content easily and with minimum manual efforts. So let's get started. So we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool to set up this whole automation. And this is the landing page of Pabbly. And I have pasted this same link in the description as well. And from here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay. So you can just sign up right now from the given link. And after that, you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. From here, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow, and here in this name field you can give a suitable name to your workflow as well. So I am giving the name here as YouTube content automation. Okay, and after giving the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two, we can set up the automation. So the trigger is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the consequence or the response towards the trigger. So in our use case, we are going to connect our spreadsheet application, that is Google Sheets. And in that Google Sheet, I am adding the details of my YouTube videos like this, the YouTube video's title and the link of the video of an existingly uploaded videos. Okay, right. And as I'm going to add this thing here, that is going to trigger the workflow, and the action to and the action would be to generate the content for the same video and upload the same content on YouTube. Okay, so first of all, you need to search for Google Sheets application here like this. Select the application and then select the trigger event as a new or updated row. All right, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to make a connection with our spreadsheet program, and you need to follow these steps written here to create this connection. And after that, we are going to capture the response of that connection. Okay. So guys, you can just read the instructions and follow the steps one by one. Let me show you directly how you can create this connection. So first of all, I am going to open my spreadsheet in an incognito window. This is because I'm using multiple Google accounts in the same browser. So if you are not using multiple accounts, you can open the spreadsheet in the same tab as well, right? And guys, here you have to click on this extensions option right here. And from here, click on add-ons, then click on get add-ons. And from this Google Workspace Marketplace window, you have to install an add-on here, which is called Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Okay, search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and install it here. And after installing this, you have to refresh your spreadsheet. This is an important step. Okay, so I have already installed that and I have refreshed it. And after refreshing, when you click on extensions again, you will find this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option available here in the drop down only. And from here, you have to click on initial setup button. And under initial setup, you will find these two fields right here, the webhook URL field and the trigger column. So in this webhook URL field, you have to paste that URL that you got from your workflow. And in the trigger column, you have to mention the name of the final data entry column that you have. Final data column means the column that is in which you are entering the data and the workflow is going to be triggered. Here you can see, I want that whenever I add the video title, then the video link, the workflow should trigger and start working. So the B column should be my final data entry column. So when I'm going to paste the link here, then the workflow is going to be triggered, right? So first of all, let me just copy the webhook URL from here. I have copied it. Now I'm coming back here, extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, initial setup. And under initial setup, let me erase this URL that is already pasted and let me paste it again. This is the new URL and the trigger column is B only, so I'm keeping it as it is. Right. And here you can see in this workflow, guys, as I have copied the URL, here it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we have to perform a test submission. This means, guys, we need to bring some test data from my spreadsheet to here in this workflow, and with the help of that test data we are going to move forward in this automation. Okay, so to bring the test data here, just go back to the initial setup here, and here you can find this send test button. So when you click on send test, the data of the first row that you have entered here will be sent to the workflow as the test data. Okay, let me show you. I am clicking on send test here, and here you can see test data sent successfully is written here. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data. And here you can see, guys, in this response section, we got the video title, the video link, the trigger column's name, the spreadsheet's name, and some technical details. That's how you can capture the test data. Okay, now we are done here. Now you can click on submit here in the initial setup. Okay, and then close this window. And you have to do one thing more here. Click on extensions, and from this Pabbly Connect webhooks option, click on this send on event option as well. So when you select send on event option, whenever you are going to add a new row here, the workflow is going to trigger. Okay, so select this as well. Right, now we are done here. Now you can come back to the workflow, and here let's start moving on in the actions tab. And after getting the data from my spreadsheet, I want that we should get the thumbnail and the description of YouTube channel generated automatically with the help of this workflow. And for that, we are going to use a few applications. So first application we are going to use here is OpenAI. So OpenAI is an artificial intelligence based content generation tool, and we are going to connect it here in this actions tab. So search for OpenAI here. Okay, and with the help of OpenAI, we are going to generate the description of the video that we have. So click on action event, and from here select the action event as generate content. Okay, then click on connect. From here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of OpenAI application to make the connection. Okay, so this is my OpenAI applications dashboard, guys. From here you can click on this personal profile icon, and from here you can click on view API keys option, and you will reach this page. Here you will find the API keys, and you can create a new key as well by clicking on this. Okay, so we have already generated maximum keys. Let me delete the previous keys. Okay, let me delete this one as well. Now let me click on create new key, and here's how you can generate a key. You just have to copy this, click on OK, and paste this key here in the token field like this. Okay, then click on save, and you will be connected with OpenAI. Right, now it is asking to select the artificial intelligence model. So we have many models under OpenAI. They are coming up with new models on daily basis actually. So I'm going to use this text DaVinci 002 model, which is mostly used model of OpenAI, and it is famous for generating accurate content. So I'm selecting this, and here it is asking for the prompt. So prompt is a kind of command for OpenAI application to generate a content. Okay, so you can just learn about the prompts from OpenAI's overview or OpenAI's blog. Okay, and let me show you. Actually, here is the playground page, and here if you are using OpenAI, you should know what is this and how to write a prompt. But let me show you how you can enter the prompt here. So this is how you can give a prompt to OpenAI. I have just typed here, write the description of a YouTube video, and here I am going to provide the title of the video. And we have got the title of the video captured here in this first tab. Here you can see we got the video title from our spreadsheet. So I'm going to map this label here in this tab. Okay, so To map the label, just click here in the front of video title word, and the Google Sheets tab or the trigger will appear here in the drop down. And when you click on it, you will find all the data here only. So from here, click on video title label and the title will be mapped here like this. Okay, right. So when you map the title here like this, what will happen in real time when this workflow is going to run? The labels are going to be updated automatically according to any new video, and new description will be generated for each of your videos. Okay, right. And here it is asking for the maximum number of tokens or the amount of words you want to generate using OpenAI. So the default value is 256 and the maximum limit is 2048. I'm just going to put here 300 words. Okay, let's generate a 300 words description. Here it is asking for the sampling type. This is actually a technology OpenAI used for sampling its content. I am just going to select the temperature sampling, which is just a default sampling technique. Sampling value, this is also a technical term. You have to put the value between 0 to 1 here. Default value is 0.7. Let me just put it 0.8. Okay. You can leave this penalty things blank. This is not compulsory field. Stop sequence. You can provide a stop sequence to make OpenAI know that you have to stop at this sequence. Okay, if arrives. And you can just put any symbols here like slash at the rate, any kind of this thing. Okay, and here it is asking best of. So it creates content, and if you want that it gives the best content, you should select the best of 3 or best of 4 out of the generated content. So I'm selecting best of 3. Okay, so now you can check the connection with OpenAI by clicking on save and send test request, and a test description will be created just in front of you. Let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request button, and here you can see guys, we got this kind of response. And here in this choices 0 text label, you will see a description automatically generated using artificial intelligence. You can see it is showing us this is a video on the beauty of Earth. The video contains stunning visuals of different locations on Earth set to relaxing music. The video is sure to leave viewers in awe of the natural beauty of our planet. And this video is actually about Earth's beauty. Let me show you on the channel directly. This is the video I'm talking about. Beautiful video on the beautiful Earth is the title. Okay, and this is the description. Very appropriate description is generated using OpenAI. Right, now let's move forward, and you can see I have no thumbnail on this video as well. So let's generate a thumbnail automatically using Switchboard Canvas application. Okay, so I'm clicking here on this plus icon, and another action step will appear here like this. And here to generate images, I'm going to connect with Switchboard Canvas. Okay, and the action event would be create an image using a design template of Switchboard Canvas. Okay, so click on connect here. From here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of Switchboard Canvas. So you just have to open Switchboard Canvas applications dashboard, and this is the template section of Switchboard Canvas. And here you can see we have this view your API key button. Click on it, and here you will find the post key and the get key. So you have to use this post key. Click on just copy here, and you have to paste it here like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Switchboard Canvas. Okay, so we are connected, and here it is asking to select the template that you want to use to create a thumbnail. So I have created a few templates here. So templates are the structures of images that you want to generate. And for this purpose, to create a thumbnail out of Switchboard Canvas, I have created this template. You can read the name is YouTube Thumbnails. So I'm just going to select this name here. You can see from the drop down YouTube Thumbnails. Here it is asking for the width and the height. Let me just see the width and the height we are using here in this template. So you will find the width and the height details here. You can just put it here. So the width is 1919, 1919, and the height is 1079. Okay. And I have entered a text variable inside this template so that I can change the text of this template automatically to generate a new template out of this to generate a new thumbnail out of this template. Okay, and to change this text, I'm going to use the text of the title that I have, and I have captured the title in the first step, in the very first step. So I'm going to map the labels from this Google Sheets tab only in this third step. Okay, so just click here on the text field. You can change the image as well. So if you have the images data, you can change this image. Right now I'm not using this field. I'm just going to change the text. Okay, here you can see we have this Google Sheets tab. From here, map the video title. Okay, then click on save and send test request button, and a new thumbnail will be created out of your template. Okay, so this is the response we got, and here we have this sizes 0 URL label in which we have the URL of a newly generated thumbnail of the YouTube video. Let me just open this, and here you can see, guys. Okay, so you can see beautiful video on beautiful earth, and this is the thumbnail created automatically, and this was our template. Okay, so it is just a demo I'm showing you. You can create beautiful templates for you. Okay, and the thumbnails will be generated. Now guys, let's move forward. We got the videos, we got the video description, we got the thumbnail. Now it is time to update all these things on YouTube channel. Okay, so here just click on this plus icon, and from this actions tab we are going to connect with YouTube. So search for YouTube here. And the action events here you can see we have many action events. You can do many things on YouTube using this software. And here, first of all, what I'm going to do, guys, actually we publish videos on YouTube in particular video categories of YouTube. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to find out the category IDs of YouTube, and we are going to use the IDs afterwards to update the video. Okay, so to get the video category IDs, here you can see we have this list video categories action event. So select this list video categories option, then click on connect here, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with YouTube, and from this window you have to choose the account of your YouTube channel. Okay, then you have to provide the access to your account by clicking on continue. That is completely safe, and you'll be connected with YouTube. Okay, you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected. And here it is asking for the country code. So my channel belongs to India, so you can learn about the country codes by clicking on this link. My country code is IN. Okay, the standard country code. Then click on save and send test request. And guys, here in this response you can see we got the item 0 snippet title label here, and here we got the first category, which is film and animation. And here when you scroll down, you will find the ID of this category is 2. Similarly, for autos and vehicles, the ID is 10. Okay, so we have many categories and many IDs here. And right now in my YouTube channel, in this demo channel, we are publishing these videos in peoples and blogs category. So you will find the people and blog category here as well, peoples and blog, and the ID is 23. Okay, now move forward and click on plus icon here to create another action step, and now search for YouTube again, and here in the action event, now what I want to update my video details. So you will find this option here, update video. Okay, update basic video details. You will find this option, select this, then click on connect. And from here, now guys, once you connect with any application, the connection that you make here are going to be saved in your account. So if you want to make the connections again in the same workflow or in different workflows, you can use your saved connections. For that, you just have to keep this existing connection option selected, and from here you can select the connections that you have already created, and after that you have to click on save, and you will be connected again with the same channel. Okay, so we are connected again. And here you can see it is asking for the video category ID. That's why we have added this step here to enter the video category ID. So my video category is people and blogs. The ID is this 23. So I'm going to map this item 10 ID label here in this field. So just click here, and from this previous tab, map the ID label which you will find here. Here it is, map it. Okay. Here it is asking for the channel's name. The name of my channel is demo channel. It is automatically selected. And here it is asking for the video ID. Now what about this video ID, guys? What is a video ID? So guys, the video ID is actually, you will find here. Let me just open this video. And let me click on share button. And here you can see in this link, guys, the last part here, this after this slash, this VZ_494, this thing is called the video ID. Okay, so you can you have to enter this ID here in your workflow in this field. Okay, so we are not going to manually put it here because in real time the video IDs are going to change with every new video. So we are going to map it, and we have got this link here in this first step. You can see in this trigger step we got the video link, and here in the video link, this is the last part is the video ID. So I'm going to separate this video ID from this given link. For that, I'm going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called text formatter. Okay, so I'm just going to click here on this plus icon in between the steps, and another action step will open up. And here I'm going to search for text formatter feature of Pabbly Connect. Search for text formatter. And the action event would be split text. So I'm going to split this link, and I'm going to fetch out this video ID. So I have selected split text, click on connect here. All right, and here it is asking which text you want to split. So I'm going to map this link label here, video link label. Just click here, and from this first tab, map the video link and the separator. So it is asking from where you want to separate out this ID. So I want this ID to be separated out from this slash given here, this forward slash. So I'm going to put forward slash here as the separator in the segment index. So it is asking which part you want to separate out, the first part or the second part or the second to last part or the last part. So I want this last part here. So I'm going to select last. Okay. Then click on save and send test request. And here you can see in this result table, we got the video ID separated out. Now we can use this here in this step. Okay. So you just have to click here. Okay. Now when I'm clicking here, it is not showing us the previous steps. This is because we have added one more step after this step. Okay. So when this happens, you just have to refresh your connection with this application. To refresh the connection, just click on connected one more times. And from here, keep this existing connection selected and click on save one more time, and your connection will be refreshed like this. And when you click here, now you can see it is showing us all the previous steps. So from the second step, map this result label in the, sorry, not in the video title, not in the video title label, here in the video ID option. And if for mapping here, you just have to toggle this map button to on first. Toggle this button to on. And from the second step, map the result label in the video ID field. Okay. And now it is asking for the video title. So you will get the title from the first step. Sorry, not the link, but the title. Okay. Standard thumbnail URL. So guys, this action step, this action of YouTube, the update video details action event is for updating the description and the text of the video, not the thumbnail. We have a separate action event here for updating the thumbnail, which is called update thumbnail. You can see set thumbnail action event. So to update the thumbnail, we are going to use set thumbnail. For updating the description and text, we are using update video details. So this field actually doesn't work here. My team is working to remove this field. Okay. So we are going to update the thumbnail using this step only, and the text if you want. So to map the description here, you just have to click here, and we have already generated the description from this OpenAI step. So you just have to click here and map this choices 0 text label. And here you can see this is my YouTube channel and this is our video. And let me open this video for you. Okay, so right now you can see in the description, we do not have anything here in the description. Okay, so let me just click on save and send test request button here, and the description will be updated on our YouTube's video. So you can see this is the response we have received here. Let us check in our video if we got the description updated. So let me refresh the YouTube's page. And now guys, you can see we got the description added here automatically. You can see this is a video on beauty of Earth. The video contains stunning visuals of different locations on Earth set to relaxing music. This is the same description guys that we have mapped here, you can see. Okay, so this is how you can update the description of your video automatically. Now let's quickly update our thumbnail as well. For that, just click here on this plus icon and another action step will open up. From here, search for YouTube again. Okay, or what you can do, you can just copy paste this step as well. I'll tell you that later on. I'm just using the same way. And here we have this set thumbnail action event. Just click on connect, use your existing connection, click on save, and you will be connected again. Here it is asking for the video ID. So you'll get the video ID from the second text formatter step. Okay, image URL. So we have generated the image using switchboard canvas. So click on it and you will find this URL here. Just map it. Okay, now let me open this page, my YouTube channel page. And here you can see right now we do not have any thumbnail. Let us click on save and send test request button, and a thumbnail will also be added to my YouTube video. You can see this is the response we have received. Let us check here on my channel. I'm refreshing this page. And here you can see guys, the thumbnail got updated here automatically. It is showing beautiful video on beautiful Earth. This is the same thumbnail that we have created. Okay, and it got updated here. So this is how it is going to work guys. So we are done setting up this automation here, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't even have to look at this workflow. After that, this workflow is going to run automatically whenever you are going to add the details of the YouTube video here in the spreadsheet. The workflow is going to trigger and your thumbnails and descriptions will be updated automatically, and the workflow is going to run in the background. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, and you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.